So we start off today's video with this gorgeous transformation. So she has like this mid-length ginger colored hair. The stylist chops it off into this blonde shoulder length bob style. Beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So as we head into the next one, the stylist is adding in some color. Nice pixie bob haircut. I love the way the back is just kind of feathered and shaped. So much fullness and thickness. Wow. And there is the full completed hairstyle. This is absolutely gorgeous. Love the way the color looks as well. And then we move on into the next style. So it looks like she is in for a cut refresh, maybe some color. And then the stylist does touch up that undercut. Giving it a nice little refresh. Cutting a little bit of the ends. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. Nice little undercut pixie style. And it looks like he did touch up the color too, just a tad, or at least that shampoo that he used kind of gave it more of a brighter appearance. Wow, she looks amazing. Absolutely stunning. And then we see someone rocking out this gorgeous orange copper colored hair. Loving this hair shade. This is by far one of my favorite hair color trends for 2023. And I think that this looks absolutely amazing on her. So pretty. The waves really enhance the color as well. Beautiful. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So then we have a very short and sweet pixie mini bob here. She has some chunky highlights with the color, some black mixed with platinum. Such a fun, trendy hairstyle. And then we have another hair transformation. Nice subtle hair change for this one, especially with the color. Followed by someone who has silver hair just around their shoulders. And it looks like the stylist is going to be doing a bob haircut for the change. Wow. She has so much fullness and thickness within this angled bob style. Loving the way that the color looks as well. So pretty. And then we have someone else with silver white hair. Oh, another beautiful full bob haircut. Absolutely stunning. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed all of the hairstyle ideas that were featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.